Welcome to the Emerging Technologies Roundtable. I'm joined today by Steve Dertine, EVP and Chief Technology Officer, and Catherine Kinnicker, or CK, our Chief Strategy and Sustainability Officer, to talk about software as a service, PTC's Plus strategy, the benefits that you can expect from moving to the cloud, and what that journey actually looks like. Steve, CK, welcome.
Thank you, Kevin.
Thanks, Kevin.
So first, let's talk about the difference between a SaaS customer experience and an on-premises customer experience. CK, maybe you can kick us off.
Sure. There's a lot of benefits of moving to the cloud in general and with SaaS, from the improved collaboration, from the ability to scale and scale securely. But maybe some of the really important benefits are always being on the same version. So no more of this costly upgrade process that people avoid doing because of the cost and time that it takes. Also, I would say maybe another fundamental is the frictionless ability to expand, whether it's expand users or expand new application modules. That all just becomes so much easier in a SaaS environment. And then, as I think about the journey that we're on, it's not just the one application, it's the integration across our portfolio and thinking about it from a digital thread perspective. So that really nice integration across the portfolio. So all of that from a customer perspective, really seamless, ease of use, and scalable.